We've got the Kovix Alarmed Trailer Lock. This one here can fit the 50mm ball as well as your off-road couplings, so your Treg, your DO35, your DO45. So it suits boat trailers as well to your large off-road caravans. So I'm just going to give you a quick demo on how it works. So if we unbox it, we'll do a bit of an unboxing here. So inside we've got instructions. Make sure you read them, guys. Don't just throw them away. We've got the actual lock itself, keys. We do need to install the battery in it. And we've got our Allen key, which is our tool to remove the ball here. So first things first, we're going to put the battery in the alarm. So turn the key to 12 o'clock. We're going to undo that, take your anti-cutting sleeve out, put that down there, and we're just going to undo this Allen key in here to get that ball off. That there is going to drop the cover plate so that we can get the alarm out and then put the lithium battery in the alarm. So that cover plate comes off. The alarm's just simply going to pull out of there. And that's your little module. We just remove this little cover plate from there. Get our little Kovix battery. These batteries are just a CR2 lithium, so they're widely available from Bunnings or Woolworths. But of course we supply them as well. All right. Cool. So we're just going to put that into there. You're going to hear that beeping. That's really important. Make sure you put it in the right way. Put that cover plate back on. That's just going to seal it from any water and dust. And we're going to drop that back into the unit. Hopefully the right way. There we go. You should hear a small beep there as well. That's also telling you that it's in the right way. We're going to put that 50mm ball attachment back in there again. Put that Allen key in. And just tighten that up. All right, so now you're ready to use your alarm trailer lock. So, got a nice boat here. We don't want that to get stolen. We want to make sure that's locked up securely. So, put that up there. We're going to turn the key to 12 o'clock. Slide the pin in just a little bit. Put your anti-cutting sleeve in. Slide that through. That's going to lock there. Then turn the key back to 12 o'clock. That's got one beep, so you'll hear it arm in about 5 seconds. That's now armed and ready to go. So we're going to try and take the boat. You get one warning. We're going to be really persistent, trying to get it off. You get a second one. Then that's going to sound at 120 decibels. To stop that alarm, it's just a simple turn of the key to 12 o'clock. So if someone's armed it and you're near it, you can easily turn it off. If someone continually tries to rock it, it's going to arm again and again, and it's just going to keep repeating. So if we want to just use it as a normal lock, say you're with the boat or you're with the caravan and you don't want it to be armed in case you're in it to rock it or so on, you can turn the key to 12 o'clock. You'll hear 2 beeps, and that means it's unarmed. So now the boat's still secure, no one's going to steal it, but it doesn't have that alarm turned on. You can, sleep at night knowing that it's not going to go off and wake up your neighbours. So that's how it fits the 50mm ball. Now this one, as I said before, it does fit a range of other couplings. So I'll just show you how it does that. So here's one I've prepared earlier. We just take that 50mm ball fitting out, and we can now fit our off-road couplings. Just need our anti-cutting sleeve. So drop that in, turn the key to 12 o'clock again, lock that through, and a simple turn, and now it's armed. So once again, if we try and steal the caravan, this one weighs a bit more, so it's a bit more robust, but if we try and touch the alarm, we get a warning. We keep going with it, so we're trying to cut it, try and take it, we get a second one, and then it's going to go at 120 decibels. So same deal again, turn the key to 12 o'clock, get 2 beeps. Now you can safely know that it's not going to go off, but it's still secure.